You ever walk into a car dealership feeling confident and walk out realizing you just signed up for 7 years of stress? That strange weight when the keys land in your hand, not excitement, but pressure. Not because you're bad with money, but because you were sold a story. Right now, the average American pays over $700 a month for their car. That's before insurance, fuel, maintenance, and the quiet shock of realizing your new car lost a huge chunk of its value the moment it left the lot. Cars aren't just transportation anymore. They've become lifestyle traps. Today, we're breaking down exactly how much car you can actually afford based on your income without destroying your financial future. Here's the biggest lie in car buying. Being approved does not mean you can afford it. Banks don't approve loans to protect you. They approve loans to profit from you for as long as possible. That's why loan terms keep getting longer. 5 years became 6, 6 became 7. Now even 8 years is considered normal. Lower payment, longer pain. It's financial smoke and mirrors. A car is not a reward. It's not proof that you've made it, and it's definitely not an investment. A car is a tool. And tools are meant to serve your life, not drain it. So instead of asking, "Can I handle this payment?" ask a better question. How much of my income should I give to something that only goes down in value? There are 2 rules that protect smart buyers. The first rule, put 20% down, finance for no more than 4 years, and keep total transportation costs under 10% of your income. The second, more disciplined rule, same 20% down, a 3-year loan, and keep everything under 8% of income. If you can't pay off a depreciating asset quickly, you're buying too much car. Dealers want you focused on one thing, the monthly payment. But your car costs money in 4 different ways: insurance, fuel, maintenance, and depreciation. That last one is the silent killer. New cars don't slowly lose value. They fall off a financial cliff. Now let's talk real numbers. If you earn $50,000 a year, you don't buy a nice car, you buy reliable transportation. After real-world costs, your payment budget is small, which means your car price lands around $6,000 to $8,000. That's not punishment, that's protection. If you earn $75,000 a year, this is where most people mess up. You feel comfortable, so you stretch. The smart range is roughly $11,000 to $16,000. Beyond that, your car starts stealing from your future. At $100,000 a year, ego becomes the enemy. Yes, you can afford something decent, but you still can't ignore depreciation. The safe range here is about $22,000 to $25,000. The person driving a paid-off $15,000 car and investing the difference will quietly outperform the luxury buyer long-term. At $150,000 a year, high income still doesn't cancel bad math. You can afford a nice car, but not to burn wealth doing it. $30,000 to $40,000 is a smart ceiling. The real danger isn't the car payment, it's the opportunity cost. Every extra $200 sent to a lender is $200 not compounding for you. Over decades, that difference becomes hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's the trade nobody explains in the showroom. Now, people often say, "But I need something safe." Safety doesn't require luxury. Reliability doesn't require brand new. Some of the most dependable cars ever made are also the cheapest to own. You're not choosing between safety and wealth. You're choosing between needs and wants. And wants are expensive liars. Here's the final reality check. Most people don't stay broke because they earn too little. They stay broke because they lock their income into things that can't grow. Cars don't build freedom, they consume it. Drive something boring today so your money can work harder tomorrow. That's how wealth is actually built. If this saved you from years of regret, subscribe, because flashy cars fade, financial freedom doesn't.